Well, hey, it's David in the Stained Glass Studio, and this is a video we're shooting because we've never done this type of repair before. We don't, right now, we're in high hopes that it'll work, but we really don't know whether or not it will. Here's what's happening. The image that this client has of birds inside this window is close to what he wants, but it's not quite. So he brought it to us and asked us if we could center the birds in this area, move them up, move them over, so that they would fit perfectly. So Jeannie has designed a piece that should fit right in here. And so all we have to do is successfully desolder these pieces, and we'll be able to drop this panel out and put the new panel in. So in order to do that, I've got a trash can right here. And I've got an iron here. It's almost warm enough. Cut on some of these these are the outer pieces. I may not have to take out much. Maybe if I get a part of it going, maybe I'll be able to start getting the rest of it to come out all at once. But this first one, you see that?
Mm-hmm. Ooh. So show me what you're using.
With the stainless steel or the steel wool. It's pretty rough stuff. They have some that's finer, but this is the stuff that I bought for a woodworking project. And then I've got this little steel brush here. All right, here's Jeannie putting on some black backed foil all the way around on the interior of this. When we're doing a regular repair, we try to avoid ripping off the old foil because we don't like to have to put in, you know, extra foil that we don't have to. But on this, we pretty much had to skin the whole thing out. Okay, now you get to show them if it fits or not.
Here we go. All right, little chickadees. Yay.
Wow, look at that.
That looks good.
Okay, well, let's do some soldering. So here I am just finishing up the soldering on this window, and it's just going to be great. And then I'm going to, I filled in a little piece of, there was a little bit of a gap, and I filled it in with copper foil. And so now we go ahead and fill this up. We're just soldering the window in place. This is the patched repair, and you know, it's fitting in perfectly. Couldn't ask for a better join. It looks just great. And now here is the final chickadee window sitting in a window frame ready to be picked up by the client. It looks great. We're really glad that it's over and done with. But that was an interesting project. We hope that you'll join us again when we have other training videos. Please feel free to like us and support us on Patreon. We appreciate your time with us. See you next time.